Do you know what is this? This is called tomato, and I will tell you why I present this tomato into this video. I will tell you the reason why I bring up this tomato into this video. So I will tell you one secret of this tomato. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know why I bring up this tomato into this video. So my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are looking for videos about men or anything concerning men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to be a member of this channel. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So today's video is all about 7 food that you can eat to boost up your sex drive and libido. 7 food you should take to boost up your sex drive and libido. Maybe you will be with your partner or with your woman, but you don't have any urge to meet him or her. You don't have urge to show interest on your woman or on your man. These 7 food will boost up your sex drive and libido. But I want to give you people one secret. It is not a must that you must blend 1 or 2 fruits to get what you want. But for those people that did chemistry, there is something they called chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is the process when the 2 reacting substances are allowed to come in contact. That is, when A and B are allowed to come in contact, there will be a chemical reaction. Yes. So for you to have an effective result when you are consuming any fruit or fruits, you must take 2 fruits to have a chemical reaction inside your body. That is just the secret. When you eat 1 fruit in a day, you will gain 1 benefit. But when you eat 2 or 3 fruits, or when you consume 2 or 3 fruits in a day, you are likely to gain more than 3 benefits, because 1, each fruit will provide its source or its gain within you, and due to the reaction between the 2 of them, you will gain another thing. I don't know if you are getting me. Chemical reaction is when 2 substances are allowed to come in contact. There will be a chemical reaction. So for you to have an effective result, maybe this sex drive or libido, for you to get it, you must learn to consume 3 to 4 fruits per day, so that the reaction between 1 fruit and the other will boost up your immune system that will cause that sex drive to occur, or something that will boost up your libido. So avoid taking 1 fruit in a day. It's not proper. Maybe you don't have finance. If you take 1 fruit in a day, you will gain 1 benefit. But if you take like 2 or 3 fruits in a day, you will get sex drive as quick as possible. The same thing goes with libido. What are these fruits that will make you to gain sex drive and high libido? Number 1 is banana. I hope everyone knows banana. It helps us to gain weight, and it also normalizes the body temperature. So banana is very important. Number 2 is avocado pear. Avocado pear also help in reducing the blood pressure, or to lower our blood pressure. It also regulates the amount of sugar in our body because of its viscose ability. So avocado pear is very, very important. Number 3 is tiger nut. Tiger nut can also help you to gain weight, and it also boosts up our immune system. Number 4 is date nut or Libido nut. Everyone knows Libido nut. Libido nut is very good to our health. It can also help to build up your immune system. It can also help you to gain natural sugar within you for those that want sugar in their body. Dates or Libido nut will help you to gain natural sugar as fast as possible. Number 5 is watermelon. Watermelon help us to regulate the amount of sugar in our body. It also prevents inflammation and help to build up our body system. Number 6 is cucumber. Cucumber is very good and very efficient. Once you take cucumber, your body will be hydrated. Your body temperature will always be at normal state. So consuming cucumber is very important. The 7th and the final one is apple. Everyone knows apple. It is sugary. We have many types of apple. The yellow one, the red one, and the greenish one. So anyone you come in contact with or you come across with, they are all apple. It is very good and it is very, very essential. So why I recommend all these fruits? Not because they are better than others, but these are the fruits that I can recommend for you. You can add other fruits like this tomato. You can add it. But the most important thing and the most secret thing I want to reveal to you people is make sure that you consume 2 or 3 fruits per day for you to get this sex drive and to improve your libido. Don't consume one. If you consume one, you will not get a result as fast as possible or as soon as you might expect it. But when you consume 3 to 4 fruits per day, like 7 good days, when you consume 3 to 4 fruits per day, up to 7 good days, you will get the best sex drive and the best libido. So that is it. Now, this is tomato. The reason why I brought this tomato in this video is because many people don't know the health benefits of this tomato. Many people don't know that this tomato can be taken without being cooked. It is supposed to be taken naturally, raw. Take it raw. So when you take this tomato in a raw way, or when you take this tomato raw, see what you are going to gain. 1, all these hairs in your body. This tomato will speed the growth of it. When you consume this tomato, it will also help to nourish your body system. It helps the liver. It helps the heart. So for you to get all this benefit from tomato, you must learn to take this tomato raw. That is why I bring this tomato, or I brought this tomato into this video. Learn to consume this tomato raw. Another thing that this tomato does is that it will make your skin to be smooth. It helps to grow your hair, and it helps to keep the liver, the kidney in a better state of health. So learn to consume this tomato as good as possible and learn to take it raw for you to gain the health benefit of this tomato. I myself, I do take tomato raw. So learn to take this tomato raw to gain the benefits. So after this tomato, learn to consume 3 to 4 fruits per day. Take it like that for good 7 days or 2 weeks. Your sex drive and libido will increase as fast as possible. I am sure of what I am telling you. Don't consume one fruit in a day if you have a low sex drive. But if you have a high sex drive, good for you. But if you don't have it, don't consume one fruit in a day. If you consume one fruit in a day, you will only gain one benefit. Once you can consume 3 to 4 fruits in a day, you will get more than 4 or 5 benefits at a spot. So learn to take many fruits as much as you can. I hope it can cost you a lot of money, but for you to gain what you want, for you to get what you want, you must spend. Once you get what you want, you can economize. So that is it for today's video. I hope you understand the food that you eat to boost up your sex drive and libido. You can add other fruits, but the reason why is for you to know that you are supposed to take 3 to 4 fruits in a day so that you will get efficient and effective results. That is why I brought this tomato, to tell you the benefit of this tomato and to also teach you to consume 3 to 4 fruits in a day for you to get what you want. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from this video and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for stopping by. I love you all, and that is why I am making this video, to help each and every one of us out there. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.